it's very easy to make a website using Google. Just type in sites.google.com. Make sure you already have a Google account. I happen to already have created one. Google accounts let you have access to your maps, email, calendars. They pretty much let you sync up everything, every bit of information about yourself. So, to create a new account, you just click create. And you can choose if you want to use a template or not. For the sake of time and simplicity, I won't use a template. We'll go straight to naming the site. You can name it anything you want as long as it hasn't been used already. So I'll call this fake site. And see if they already have that. Type the code. Let's see. The location I have chosen is not available. That's good. This gives you an example of when someone else already has that site name. You have to choose one that's original. I call it fake website, but the 1 is an I and the 3 is an E. Let's see if this works. Okay, no one else owned my name. So, when you have your website, you have so many options available. First, you can edit your page. So you can type, you can insert anything you want. You can insert a gadget. Let's do an easy one, a map. Just type in a location, it'll drop a place mark, press select. Press save, and when you're editing, you can't always see what's available, but once you press save, then it shows you what it would look like to everyone else when they get to your website. See, I've added a gadget. It's a map of a very important place, Fisk University. Next, I'll show you how to create a new page. Very simple. You can name it. I'm going to name mine New. For organization, it looks good to put new pages underneath the home page, but you can do whatever you want, obviously. So now you have the home page and the new page. You can type whatever you want. Once again, once you press save, you have access to it the way that the rest of the world would. So let's say I really want to edit this page, and I've already added a gadget, but maybe this time I want to add a link. Just click add or remove link. I want it to be on the new page, and I want the link to be to Google. And I want it to just say Google. And I would prefer if it opened the link in a new window. Once I press OK, it gives me a link. If you click on it, it'll take you to it. Fairly easy. You have a lot of other options. You can edit your site layout. Let's change the theme colors designs. There are a lot of themes available. I was going to do simple, but it's too simple. So you can change that. You can change the font. You can change the text of your header. Maybe you want to change the color to your own color. If you do that, you just click here. It lets you change the header color. There you go. If you want to keep it, you press save. If you want to change what you just tried to do, clear all customizations, brings it right back to the original theme that they had available. Once your changes have been saved, you can go back to your website and see how it looks to the rest of the world. We have new. A lot of the work that goes into creating a website involves just looking around, trying everything that you can. You can edit the site layout to decide if you want the header there, if you want a sidebar, you want to make a footer. You can always add new pages. When you click edit page, you can change your type. You can make a different layout. You can add anything you want. Most important thing to remember is be original. If you ever need help, there's shortcuts available. Whenever you're done editing, you always press save. Press save between editing new pages as well, so that when you go back to the page, whatever work you did on that page will be saved. There we go. Once you're done, you can share it. You can decide if you want it to be public or private. I'm going to keep mine private, but if you want it to be public, you just click public on the web. If you want it to be private, do specific people. Or you can decide if there's someone you want to be able to view it. So that's how to make a page.